In this video, I am discussing fourth standard environmental studies, lesson 5, flowers, colors. On a lovely morning, many girls in the school had plaited their hair and wore jasmine flowers on their plates. Teacher, oh, there is a good fragrance in this room. Hasina, one of teacher's student. Sir, some girls have jasmine flowers on their plates. Vijay, one of student. Yes, now it is the season of jasmine flowers, isn't it, teacher? In a summer, in a summer, there is a jasmine. In a rainy season, there is a dahlia. And in a winter, there is a chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. Thus, there are different flowers in different seasons. Here, they are given one activity. Make a list of flowers available in your locality. In which season are they available? Why do people use them? Collect information about this and write it in this table. I given some examples: jasmine, dahlia, rose, hibiscus, and many more used for worship and plate. And another activity: collect the flowers that are available in your locality, observe them carefully, and write their characteristics in this table. Name of flower, color, shape, number of petals, fragrance, yes or no. Here, rose, color, red, shape, circle or round shape, number of petals, 70 to 80, fragrance, yes. Jasmine, color, white, shape, circle, number of petals, 5 to 6, fragrance, yes. Hibiscus, white, yellow, red, circle, shape, circle or round, number of petals, 5 to 6, fragrance, no fragrance. Next, teacher, come, let's go to nearby garden and get introduced to variety of flowers. But nobody should pick flowers. All of them went to the garden. Don't pick flowers. Here is a board. See various flowers in garden. Hasina. Oh, so many flower blossoms. The garden looks very beautiful. There is also signboard. Don't pick flowers. This is a signboard. Don't pick flowers. Teacher. Yes, follow that instruction. You also practice growing flowers near your home and the school. Nagaraja, one of student. Look, there are flowers even in that pond. Children. Teacher. Children, name 3 flowers that grow in water. Example, grow in water, lotus. This flower grow in water, and give some examples, Sing and enjoy. See, beautiful song. I am in the garden, used to worship God. The garlands are fine, used for decoration. I am the food for honeybee, medicine for the diseases. My fragrance is in the perfume. My uses are plenty. I am better than human beings. See, this explains flower characteristics. Next, sing and enjoy florist. They sell flowers are called florist. First on the fragrant flowers who needs buy them. Sure to be yours, moves the flower seller singing from door to door. Another second one, announcing her wares, marigolds fresh, lilies, jasmine, yellow, polymera, twin together like of yours. Jasmine white, gold flower yellow, murugha fresh green, all knit in garlands. Come and buy, and all for you. Red roses, radiant lilies, blossomed lotuses, milk white lily, yellow as well, all are yours. Fifth, need varieties of fragrant flowers. I have them. So sings the florist. Walk slowly in front of your houses. Beautiful song. Next. Do you use flowers? Do your family members use flowers? Yes, I and our family members use flowers. Do you grow or buy the flowers used at home? Girija, one of student. Shahina's father has a flower stall. Vijaya, Shahina, from where do you get flowers? Shahina replying, my father buys flowers from the market. All of us at home string them. String means they join one by one in a thread. Teacher, Sahina, what's the price of jasmine flowers per kg? How do you sell it after you sting them? Sahina replying, today's price of jasmine flower is 250 rupees per kg. We sell at 10 rupee per cubit length. See, Sahina, Sahina's family sell for cubit length of jasmine flower for 10 rupees. Teacher, do you know about the cubit length and yard? Yes, this is cubit length. Cubit length. This is add. In 1 yard, 4 cubit lengths are there. See, selling flowers. Fatima. Yes, 1 yard is equal to 4 cubit length. Teacher, these are units of informal measurement. Informal measurement. We use formal measurement like centimeter, meter. Use of these measurements is useful to people who sting flowers, sellers and buyers of flowers. Informal measurements are used people who sting flowers, sellers and buyers of flowers. Next question. Do it yourself. If the cost of 1 kg jasmine is 250, how much will the cost of 5 kg of jasmine. 5 kg of jasmine price is for 2 kg 500, 4 kg 1000, 5 kg 1250 rupees. Next, if a cubit length of flower cost 4 rupees, how much will be the cost of 1 yard length of flowers? Cost of 1 yard length of flowers is rupees 16. Next question. Next, go to the market of your locality. Know the price of 5 different kinds of flowers and write them here. One example is given. Example, name of flower, jasmine, measurement 1 cubit length, price 10 rupees. Also given some flowers list, you know. Next, teacher, plant the sapling of flower plant in yard of your house or grow them in pots. Practice to use flowers. Vijaya, one of student. Sir, Hasina's dress has design of so many flowers on it. See, dress designs of flowers. Next, teacher. Yes, you can see designs of flowers on different things. Flowers inspire the painters. Flowers inspire the painters. Observe the thing around you. Which things do you find having flowers design? List them. Some of things which has flower designs. Next, do it yourself. Collect flowers. Dry the petal as well. Prepare greeting cards with them and give them to your friends and neighbors. Learn to prepare different flowers from color papers. Draw flowers on papers, small vessels and pots. Color them. See, some flowers, pots containing flowers, drying flowers here and here. Next, do you know? Do you know this? First one, the flower of Raplaceia plant is the largest flower. Its circumference is 1 meter, so huge. Circumference is 1 meter and it weighs 7 kg. But its seeds is as small as poppy seed. This flower has a very bad smell. Yes. Next, the flower of Valpia, a water plant of India, is the smallest flower. A number of Valpia flower can be placed on the tip of needle. On a tip of needle place, so many Valpia flowers can be placed. That's why it is the smallest flower. Next, lantana flower is one among the world's 15 most beautiful flowers. Next, not only perfume is extracted from rose, but a sweet called gulkan is also prepared from it. Next, Karnataka is a prominent state in the field of floriculture, means growing flowers. According to a report, 75% of the country's flowers are grown here. Here means in Karnataka. Next, the flowers of our country are exported to foreign countries also. Yes, this completes your lesson 5. In the next video, we will discuss each drop lesson 6. I think this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe this channel for more videos.